Today I will show you how to fix the network connection failed error on your PS5 console. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we're going to check if our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to navigate to settings on the far right of our display. On our PS5 console, we're going to go to settings, then we're going to go to network. On the network, what we want to do is we want to view PlayStation's network status and ensure that all services are green. Once we see this, then now we want to restart our console. We're going to press the PS button and we're going to restart the PS5 console. Now you need to know that you can help whilst restarting. You should bring your PS5 router closer to improve the signal, because most of these issues are caused by poor internet connection. Now we want to go to settings. On the settings, we're going to go to network. On the network, we want to go to settings again and then set up internet connection. We want to go to our internet connection, press the option button, and then forget the network and then reconnect again. Please know that it's always better to use a LAN connection for better internet. Once you're done, you can go back to test internet connection, and what you're interested in is internet connection and PlayStation Network sign-in. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.